Open the piano and let's play. Now there's a total of 4 chords for this song. Chord number 1, we have a C chord. Right hand, we're going to put our thumb on C, E and G. Left hand, we're going to activate our thumb. Left hand, single note C. Both hands sounds like this, C chord. Moving on to our F chord, we're going to put our thumb on F, A, C. Left hand, finger 5, F chord. Next chord, G chord. We're going to put our thumb on G, finger 3 on B, finger 5 on D. Left hand, activate finger 4, G chord. And the last chord, we're going to have a D minor. D, F, and A. I choose to stretch my thumb up to D minor. The playing pattern for this song, for full bar, we're going to have a both, right, right, right. But there are times there is only a half bar, so we're going to have a both and right. Let's start from verse. A C chord. Amazing grace, how half a bar of F, sweet, the half a bar of C, sound, that C chord, saved a wretch like G chord, me. I C chord, once was lost, but half a bar of F, now I'm half a bar of C, found, was half a bar of C, blind, but half a bar of G, now I 1 bar of C, C. Now let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Amazing grace, how
Half a bar of F, half a bar of C.
That saved a wretch
G chord,
like me.
back to C.
I once was lost,
Half a bar of F,
but now
half a bar of C.
I'm found.
Half a bar of C,
Blind,
half a bar G,
but now
back to C.
I see.
Let's move on to verse 2. 'Twas C chord, grace that taught my half a bar of F, heart, to half a bar of C, fear, and C chord, grace my fears, G chord, leave. How C chord, precious deed, that F chord, half a bar, grace, a C chord, half a bar, peer, D, half a bar of C, owl, I, half a bar of G, first, B, 1 bar of C, leave. Now let's play verse 2 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, C chord, go.
'Twas grace that taught
Half a bar of F, half a bar of C,
to fear,
1 bar C,
and grace my fears
G,
relieved.
C,
How precious thee,
half a bar
that
F,
grace
half a bar C,
appeared.
half a bar C, half a bar G, 1 bar C. Let's move on to our chorus. We're gonna start with F chord. My chains are F chord, gone. I've been set, C chord, free. My God, my F chord, Savior, has ransomed, G chord, me. And like a F chord, flood, His mercy, C chord, reigns. Unending, half a bar of D minor, love, half a bar of G, amazing, 1 bar of C, grace. Now let's play the chorus smoothly. We start from F chord. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2,
My
F chord,
chains
go.
are gone. I've been
C.
set free. My God,
F.
my Savior has
chord.
ransomed me. And like
F.
a flood, His
Back to C.
mercy reigns.
Half a bar of D minor, half a bar of G, go back to C.
Amazing grace.
Let's move on to verse 3, which is very similar to verse 1 and 2. Slowly, the C chord, Lord has promised, F chord, half a bar, good, 2, half a bar of C, me, His, 1 bar C, word, my hope, Sir, G chord, cures, He, 1 bar of C, will, my shield, and half a bar of F, portion, half a bar of C, B, S, half a bar of C, long, S, half a bar of G, life, and 1 bar of C, Dios. Let's play verse 3 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,
The
go.
Lord has promised
Half bar F,
good
half bar C.
to me. His word, my hope
G.
secures.
Back to
He
C.
will my shield
Half bar F,
and
half bar C.
portion be. As
Half bar C,
long
half bar
as
G,
life and
1 bar C.
yours.
Now verse 4, we're going to start from C chord, the C chord, earth shall soon, the half a bar of F, Zoph, like half a bar of C, snow, the 1 bar C, sun, forbear, 2, 1 bar G, shine, but C chord, God, who called me, half a bar of F, here, B, half a bar of C, low, will, half a bar of C, will be, 4, half a bar of G, ever, 1 bar C, mine, will, C chord, half bar, B, 4, half bar G, ever, 1 bar C, mine. One last time, half a bar of C, you are, 4, half a bar G, ever, 1 bar C, mine. Let's play verse 4 smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, C.
The earth shall soon
F, half a bar,
dissolve
back to C.
like snow. The
C.
sun forbear
G chord, get ready.
to shine.
C,
But God who called
half a bar of F,
me here
half a bar of C.
below will
C, half a bar, and G, 1 bar C. Repeat the last line, half a bar of C, half bar G, 1 bar C. One last line, half bar C, half bar G, 1 bar C. Let's play the whole song starting from verse 2 to chorus, verse 3, verse 4, and then we're going to end with a chorus. Slowly, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Verse 2.
'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed.
Chorus.
My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace.
Verse 3.
The Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures.
Verse 4.
The earth shall soon dissolve like snow. The sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below will be forever mine. Will be forever mine. You are forever mine.
Chorus.
My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace.
Last line.
Unending love, amazing grace.
One more time. Last line.
Unending love, amazing grace.
End on C. I hope you had a good time learning and jamming to this song. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial video. Now do drop a comment below on the songs you would like to learn, and I will do my best to do a tutorial for it. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.